Hey guys, what's happening? How to receive USDT on Kraken. So open up your Kraken wallet and we're gonna generate an address to receive USDT. Hit portfolio at the bottom left. Inside, you're gonna scroll a little bit down to your cash and stable coins. Under cash and stable coins, you're gonna find Tether USD, short for USDT. Press it. Under balance, you're gonna see deposit, right? So what I'm gonna do, select your network and an address will be generated. Only deposit USDT from the Tron network. Deposits of other assets or from other networks will be lost. The minimum deposit is 5 USDT. Processing time is 1 minute. Since a smaller amount first, if you want to be certain an address is correct. Okay, hit I understand. An address will be generated. You're gonna use this address to receive USDT from the other wallet. So, let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.